Fruits in English, Part 2. Papaya, papaya, papaya. Tangerine, tangerine, tangerine. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Buddha's hand, Buddha's hand, Buddha's hand. Quince, quince, quince. Starfruit, starfruit, starfruit. Tamarind, tamarind, tamarind. Cashew apple, cashew apple, cashew apple. Custard apple, custard apple, custard apple. Apple, apple, apple. Date, date, date. Entawak, entawak, entawak. Banana, banana, banana. Coconut, coconut, coconut. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Jackfruit, jackfruit, jackfruit. Melon, melon, melon. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Feijoa, feijoa, feijoa. Nectarine, nectarine, nectarine. Plum, plum, plum. Ground cherry, ground cherry, ground cherry. Kumquat, kumquat, kumquat. Orange, orange, orange. Pear, pear, pear. Pomegranate, pomegranate, pomegranate.